So okay everyone, today we are going to study about Indian tribes. Okay, so basically Indian tribes are considered as ST scheduled tribes. Okay, they get some kind of reservations in our education system and in jobs and in many sectors because they are considered backwards because they don't get much of education and everything. That's why they get reservations. So these people can be found in eastern India and I mean, most of them are found in eastern India, like Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, etc. And along with that, northeast India, okay, and southern India. Okay, so like in northeast, there are some examples like Assam, where Bodo tribes is there, and many more. Okay, so now let's talk about each of the tribes. Okay, so the first one is Santhal tribes, which are basically found in Jharkhand, West Bengal, and Odisha, which is basically east of India. So they speak Santhali language, okay, which is Austro-Asiatic language, okay, and these people include 8th schedule of the constitution. Like this language is the 8th scheduled language of the constitution, and this one of the famous thing this tribe did was Santhal rebellion, which was happened in 1855 to 1856, which was led by Sidhu and Kanu Murmu. Okay, that same Murmu surname which Draupadi Murmu has. Okay, and which was a fight against British rule. Okay, British rule and money lenders, etc., etc., and they were traditionally associated with agriculture. Okay, and they have important festivals which are like Sohri, Baha, etc. Okay, now second one is Munda tribe. You must have heard this tribe's name. They also speak Astro-Asiatic language, and this is famous because of Birsa Munda. Okay, you must have heard his name, and they have one festival, Birsa Munda Jayanti, 15th of November. Okay, that's it. There's nothing much about this tribe. And the third one is Gond tribe, which is basically found in Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, which is middle of the India. Okay. Now the fourth one is Bhil tribe, which is found in Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh, and they speak the language of Bhili, which is not an Austro-Asiatic language. Rather than that, it's Indo-Aryan language. It belongs to the language of Indo-Aryan, and it's one of the largest tribal communities, and they are famous for their archery skills. And so they are found in west of the India, and one of their famous festival is Bhagoria festival, which is associated with this tribe, and especially in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, not much in the state of Rajasthan. And now the fifth one is Khasi tribe, which is found in Meghalaya. Okay, and now let's talk about the last tribe, which is Toda, which is found in Tamil Nadu, that is south of India, which or like specifically they are from Nilgiri Hills. Okay, and they speak the language of Toda, which is Tibetan language. That's it, nothing much about this.